Hey guys, thanks for stopping in. It's QCKBF main series event. I think it's their fourth one. We're out here on Lake Hartwell. I was gonna go to Marianne Branch, but I decided I wanted to go to my home ramp, the one I know the best. So I'm out here at Brown Road for what'll probably be the last time until at least midsummer. And I'm gonna start out fishing riprap, looking for the shad spawn, move into the pockets, try and see if I can find the herring spawn. Kinda out here trying to figure out during the tournament. So I did forget one memory card, so the rear camera is down, unfortunately. Guys, let's do it. I'm hoping I can have a good day. It's my home lake. Limits the goal. Top 20 would be amazing. We're gonna see what we can do. That's a good one, guys. All right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. All right, guys, we got us a 15 3/4 bass. He goes good on the books. Oh, we're coming up. Come on. Yeah, baby. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Big old fat mullet. We'll get photos after weighing. Measuring, I should say. Gentlemen, that's a good looking fish, right? Then go fishing underspin. We're gonna keep working that guy. Probably should have turned that camera down a little more. I got him tossing right over that cable, and then I got stuck on the cable. He got underneath it, so I had to fight him around. Those are, you feel the heart pounding when they're a decent fish, but man, you feel so rewarded if you can get them out of there. We're gonna throw back over there. I don't think he's gonna make it though. Let's see. He ain't gonna make it. There's no way. No way. Alright. He's only 11, so he ain't gonna work. He needed another inch to be worth my time. But he's a catch. He's fun. There's another one. Let's go. In there, mate. All right. 13 1/4. Boy over here, we're fishing this area hard. He gives no that I'm right here. He's straight shifted over here with me. Oh, you're a bad man. Look at that. That's professional angling, gentlemen. Guys, I just caught my limit with the battery dead. But there he is. Let's put him on the board and see what he is. Come on. 15 at least, I'm sure. Alright. There's just a 15 3/4, gentlemen. Let's get him back. Let's go hunting for bigger ones. That's a kicker. That's a good kicker! Yes! Oh, baby, that's a good kicker. All right, guys, 16-inch kicker. Get that 13 out of here. They like what I'm doing today. Kicker, but we're gonna see. Definitely a hard finding spot though. Shit, he might be. Let's see. Another one on the Van Gogh fishing lure, guys. This lure is legit. I don't think he's gonna be a kicker. All right, guys, there he is, 13 and a half. He doesn't help. Let's get him back. Somebody's not missing any mills. What a little unit, right? Let's get little Moan back. Full size spinner. Well, all right, guys. I'm not doing the outro on the water. Totally forgot to. And then Sunday I had UKA event. I had a pretty good day Saturday. Finished 22nd. I'll take that. After just getting utterly shellacked on my home lake just a couple weeks before that in the South Division event. I'll take it, man. I had a couple good bass hook up today. Could have used another big one. You know, I would have loved to get like a 4-pounder or something like 20-inch out of there. That would have put me in the money for sure. But you know, another 3 inches would have put me up there as well. So now I was gonna go to Marianne Branch Access. I chose Brown Road boat ramp like the morning of. One, I did wake up a little later than I intended to, but I could have made it to Marianne Branch. I could have gone and loaded it in the water. Reality of it is, I like all the little secondary points that are back in there. I like all the little coves and pockets. I wanted to do better than the last event, so it just seemed like I needed to go where I knew the lake the best. And my home boat ramp of Brown Road is clearly where I know the best. The first year or two I had a kayak, that's really all I went to. I don't go as much now. I still go if I just need to go somewhere quick and need to get out. It's still close enough. I still know it enough. I feel confident going out there. But I just can't say enough. You know, they hosted a great event. Bennet ended up winning it, and you guys have heard me talk about him before if you've been here for a little while. If not, link to his channel down below. All the dude does is win money at this point. He's going places. And then Sunday we had UKA event 4 on the Saluda Lake. Fun event. A lot of fun people there, a lot of good people. Overall, just a fun day. I didn't get a limit. I did catch a 16.5-inch fish using a drop shot. So the first time I've done that, I got it on the robo worms that I got from Cole's Bait and Kayak Rental Shop. They had that box on discount I was saying you guys about a few weeks ago on my Instagram. They had these fat robo worms in there. Good looking lure, man, and it's the first one I've got a bite on. Because I was just so tired, there's no way I was doing my original plan. I wanted to head up the Saluda River, about 1.5 miles, 2 miles up, fish by the bridge, and then go up about another 1/2 mile and fish this hole I know is up there, where it gets pretty deep really fast in a couple little areas. I wasn't gonna make it up that far. I was too tired by the time I got to the mouth, and I decided to fish the ledge over to the opposite side where it gets deep against that retainer wall. But that's where I got them. Again, a lot of fun. Congrats to the winners on Saturday. Congrats to their winners on Sunday. Man, I love doing the club thing. It's nice to get out and talk to people that are like-minded, and you know, you don't have to be overly chatty about anything except kayaks and fishing. And I do like QCKBF using the big lakes, right? I definitely do better on big lakes. I have a much better chance of getting a limit and getting big fish. But that's kind of the charm of UKA too, right? I like getting out there and fishing these lakes that I'm bad at. You've got to be on point to catch fish at these high-pressure lakes. So I think all of it will make me better in the end. I think it already has. And, yeah. Thanks for coming by, guys. That was awfully mouthy, but I had a pretty good day. I'm feeling pretty good about everything right now. Can't wait to spend Saturday on the water. Sunday's Mother's Day, so I'm not going out. I'm spending it with my wife. But Saturday's my day. So y'all have a good one. See y'all next week. Maybe.